Hi guys, it's your girl IGBO with Queen TV. If today is your first time joining me in this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. We help beginners learn how to speak Igbo language. So guys, in this video,
Sana novità, è arrivato My Selection Asiago DOP, Asiago DOP, bacon croccante e salsa alle cipolle caramellate. Scopri di più.
in this video, we're going to be
Una camera in ordine regala sogni tranquilli. Con poco, dai spazio ai tuoi sogni.
Someone actually told me to explain the names of baby boys in Igbo language. They say I should tell them the meaning, like I should explain the meaning of it. But that I will do it in my next video. In the next video I'm going to do that, and I'll post it for you guys to see. So guys, I want you guys to watch this one. Oh, wow.
Smash
Oh wow, that's good. Someone asked me what is the meaning of Enyina. Enyina is father's friend. Because someone is asking me what is the meaning of Enyina. You can see the questions there. I don't know if you guys can see or no. Someone is asking me what is the meaning of Enyina. Enyina means daddy's friend. You understand? Enyina. That's father's friend, daddy's friend. And someone said I should explain the meaning of the names. I think it should be in English also. Explain them so they can understand it. But I wanted to do that in my next video. I wanted to do that in my next video.
Smash or pass.
V-Fly Mini Flags, so you can send money to your loved
So
ones
guys,
worldwide. Send money with the Remitly app.
Mi trovo in una clinica per la malnutrizione di 16
let's watch the ads.
Somaliland, dove ogni giorno arrivano tantissimi bambini malnutriti. Qui ho incontrato Mueddin, è gravemente malnutrito.
He's 2 years old, although he looks like 6 months old because of malnutrition.
Il piccolo Mueddin è molto debole e le sue condizioni stanno
I don't
peggiorando.
actually like this in these people normally do.
Bisogno di cibo
This is, I don't know if you guys can see. These ads that I'm watching. You understand? What these people normally do, I don't like it. All these white people, they will go to Africa, they will video our kids when they are dirty and when they are not looking good. they will want to post it. But you cannot come to their country and video their kids like this and post it, and they will be happy for it. But they can do all this to us and nobody's talking about it. That's not nice. Someone said, please give us the names, the meaning of the names.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Guys,
My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as IGBO with Queen TV. If today is your first time joining me or watching me in this channel, what we teach in this channel is we teach Igbo language and we help beginners learn how to speak Igbo. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, share to your family and share to your friends. Do not forget to give me a like. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys names of baby boys in this very video. In case you are pregnant and you don't know the Igbo name you want to give your baby, this channel and this video is for you. This particular video is for you. So keep watching. We'll be right back. Ahamefula. Ahamefula is a great name to give your baby boy. Ahamefula is a very great name to give your baby boy. Ebuka. Ebuka is good to give your baby boy's name. Ebuka. Ebuka. Emeka. Emeka. Emeka is a great name to give your baby boy. If you're looking for a baby boy's name, Emeka is good. Nnamdi is a boy's name. Nnamdi. It's only boys that bear that name. Nnamdi. Nnamdi is also a great name to give your baby. Nnamdi. Akobata. Akobata. Imara ihe wa akobata. Then you will have to give your baby akobata. Imara ihe, if you know what it is, aha nwa gị ga-awụ akobata. Imara ihe wa akobata. Then give your baby akobata. Is a great name. Chigozie. Chigozie is a great name to give your baby boy. Chigozie. Chigozie. Imara ihe wu Chigozie. Give your baby Chigozie because it's a great name. Amadi. Amadi is a good name. It's a great name to give your child. Amadi is a baby boy's name. Amadi. Amadi is a good name to give your baby boys. Anozie. Anozie is a good name. It's a good name to give your baby. Anozie is a great name to give your baby boy. Anozie. Anozie is a good name for baby boys. Arinze. Arinze is a good name to give your baby. Arinze. Arinze is a very great name to give your baby boy. Azubike. Azubike is a good name. It's a great name to give your baby boy. Azubike. Azubike. If you know the meaning, you will give your baby that name. Azubike. Azubike is a great name. Beautiful name. Chetachukwu is Igbo name for boys. Chetachukwu. Imara ihe wu Chetachukwu. Then you will want to give your baby that name. Chetachukwu. Chetachukwu is a very great name. Chetachukwu. If you know the meaning, you will dream to give your baby that name. Chetachukwu. Chibueze.